Hi friends. Welcome to Hot and Sweet. In the ancient sands, Mandi was never just a recipe, it was a ritual. It is a dish born of fire and earth, where time is the most important ingredient. Take rice of your preference and soak it for at least 30 minutes. To build the soul of this dish, we gather the classic elements of the East. Each one plays its part in the symphony of the Mandi. Whole black peppercorns, cloves, cinnamon sticks, green cardamom pods, coriander seeds, dried black lime, lumi, cumin seeds, chicken stock cubes, sof, jeera. We roast them slowly over a gentle flame. Before we blend them, let it cool. Now blend in all the ingredients to create a fresh Mandi powder masala. Let's look at the ingredients for the Mandi rice. Onions finely chopped 2. Chicken 500 grams. Freshly prepared Mandi masala. Ginger, garlic paste. Lime juice. Chicken stock cubes. In a bowl add chicken. Mandi masala. Ginger, garlic paste. Add lime juice. Red chili powder. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder. Now it's time to mix all the ingredients and marinate the chicken. And let it rest for some time. In a pan add oil and let it heat. Then add our marinated chicken and fry until golden and crisp. Let's begin with rice prep. In a pan add oil and heat it. Fry some cashews and almonds. Set aside the dry fruits. In a same oil add chopped onions and fry them until soft. Now add ginger garlic paste. Now add the freshly prepared Mandi masala 1 tablespoon. Add 1 cube of chicken stock. It's time to add water. Here you can taste the stock and add salt. Add in 1 cinnamon stick. Let the water boil a little and add in the soaked rice. Once our rice are cooked well and flavors are soaked in, add fried dry fruits and fried chicken. Cover with the foil and lid on. Cook for another 5 minutes. The final secret is the smoke. This is what makes it a true Mandi. Add a ghee to the glowing charcoal and watch the magic happen. Seal it tight. Just 5 minutes in this smoky embrace transforms the rice and meat, giving it that authentic, deep flavor of the desert. The wait is over. As the smoke clears, the aroma tells you everything you need to know. Perfectly cooked, deeply fragrant, and truly authentic. This is Mandi as it was meant to be. A masterpiece of tradition to be shared with those you love. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.